into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face, you saw the look on my heart to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen.
Bitch, fuck, got a nigga, real. Bitch, fuck, got a nigga, real. Bitch, fuck, got a nigga, real. Bitch, give a fuck, got a nigga, real. Bitch, fuck, got a nigga, fuck, got a fuck, got a nigga, fuck, got a fuck, got a nigga, fuck, got a fuck, got a make it clap like he got it right, make it got it right.
Okay, so hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm actually in the middle of recording a next video, so I'm actually doing like this wig. I'm doing a video on this wig, and I am like, it's Friday night, so like I'm trying to see or figure out if I could go somewhere. So I decided to, like, you know, might as well just do my makeup because I'm already doing a video for this hair. And I was doing my makeup and I'm just like, I just realized that I ran out of my Laura Mercier setting powder. No, well, I knew that I didn't have any more. I just forgot. I was supposed to get some, but I forgot. And like the last makeup tutorial that I did, I ended up using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. But honestly, I don't really like that setting powder because it has a more yellow undertones to it. I don't know. It gives off like a it's too. I feel like it's too yellow for me. Like I'm not. I don't know, like it's too yellow for me, and it cracks. So under my under eyes, like it cracks after setting it and everything. So I was just like, oh my gosh, what am I gonna use to set my face, right? And then I was thinking to my head that I had this Johnson baby powder, and I'm like, maybe I could use it to like set my face and whatnot, because it is a powder and it's almost like the translucent powder. It's almost like the same color because it's white or whatever, almost like the Laura Mercier translucent powder. So it's just like, maybe I could use the Johnson's baby powder, but I was just like, I'm not sure if I can. So I ended up going on YouTube to see if anybody used it before. If I used it and it ended up like messing up my face, giving me acne or whatnot, but I went on YouTube to see if anybody else used the Johnson's baby powder before to set their face, and people actually used it. This girl, I think her name's Mariri, I saw her use it and I'm just like, okay, well, maybe it's not so bad, so might as well just try using it. Okay, so right now I'm about to put my concealer on, and then I'm going to obviously set my face. So I'm just gonna go in with my creamy beige LA Girl Pro concealer. I'm just gonna go in and like use my finger. I'm going to use my finger to blend out the concealer. I'm trying different tips and tricks in the makeup world, and I've seen somebody use their finger to actually blend out the concealer and it looked nice to me. So let's hope this works. Okay. It does work, but like I'm trying to, I don't know, I have to go with my beauty blender. Sorry. Like it works, but it's just like, no, I want to use my beauty blender.
I had to get out out of this place. I sense something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza.
Okay, so I do not need to do a next layer of concealer, but I am going to do it anyways. I'm not going to do a lot. The good thing when using your finger is that on the top of your brow, it's easy to like use your finger to tap it to blend out. It's easier to blend the top concealer of your brows with, you know, the highlighting concealer. Okay, so now for the magic. Okay, so I'm going to put some of this baby powder. I'm going to put some of this baby powder inside the top of the Laura Mercier setting powder cover. That way I am able to like dip inside, and I'm able to dip inside and, you know, set my face. So time to peek. Yo, this better work. Like, I think this beauty blender does not apply the baking powders properly. Smells good. I think this is a thing still. Well, can't even talk just yet because we haven't like brushed it off or anything. So what the fuck am I gonna do with all of this? The shit is messy. That's the only thing. Shit. Very messy. Okay, so I'm gonna carry on as I'm gonna continue normally, and what I normally do after setting my face is contour. Also guys, these lashes that I am wearing, these are from my lash line, and they're the style Vibes, and y'all need to use up the free shipping. Like, come on, free shipping. Una love freeness, huh?
Before, when you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza.
Now, time to see the magic, okay? Okay. This must say, actually not bad. Not bad. Okay. It's not bad still. One thing I do realize, like, guys, it's not bad. It's actually not bad. And one thing I do realize is that it's easy to like brush off. Like, it fluffs away really fast. Actually, this is not a bad idea. So like, guys, if you have no setting powder and you have similar to Johnson's baby powder, because you know, especially in the Caribbean household, we always have that Johnson baby powder sitting around somewhere. One, if you have stinking foot, you could use it. Two, you know, for the babies, we normally use it in the Caribbean household. Like, we always use Johnson baby powder. And yeah, when you're going to sleep at nighttime, it keeps you cool. So like, and it sets your makeup. Are you kidding me? I am going to go in and contour my face again. Like, it's too white.
Face, you saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I sense something I've never seen.
I find myself doing blush. I'm very weird when it comes on to my makeup. You have, sometimes I'm like, yes, I'm gonna do blush and everything, and sometimes I'm just like, ew, I hate blush. And then the next time I find myself doing blush again, like. But the blush that I'm using is from, I don't even know where this is from, to be honest, 'cause like I've had it for so long. I think it's from like one of those, probably like a Forever 21, one of those stores. My camera died, yeah, unfortunately, but the only thing I did was I used my Rihanna Trophy Wiz highlighter and mixed it with, you know, the next highlighter that I always use. And for my lips, I did the I lined my lips with the chestnut lip pencil from MAC, and I just went over with this gloss. Now I'm going to do my mascara. Okay, so this is the final look for the makeup. I'm still in the middle of filming my hair video. I haven't thought about what I'm gonna do with it yet, but enough of that. This is just for the makeup. This is how it's looking right now. So yeah, I definitely recommend using the Johnson's baby powder for baking. If you run out of your Laura Mercier's setting powder or whatever setting powder you have, if you run out and you have your baby powder, you can use it, because I used it and this is how my makeup is looking. Like, who's to tell me that I did not just bake my face with a regular setting powder? Huh? Nobody. Okay, the only thing is I think I want to wear it for a little bit to see like if it's going to like hold up, or you know, if it's going to crack, or if it's gonna work any differently. I am gonna wear it for tonight, so by the time I'm editing by the time I edit this video, I can tell you guys if it cracked a little bit or not, or if, you know, if anything unusual happens. Okay, but for now, this is the end of the video. Yes, this is a good substitute. I would definitely recommend it. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little DIY kind of trick and tips tip, yeah, that I use. Well, tips, because I use my finger as one trick as well. Well, these both, the Johnson baby powder and my little finger trick that I used. If you guys enjoyed this video, I was about to say if you guys enjoyed a video like this. Anyways, yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to see more videos like this, definitely let me know and I will post more. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit that like button and leave your comments down below, because I do reply to you guys. As soon as I see the messages, I do reply to you guys. Okay, I thank you guys again, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one.
Got a nigga,